Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to turn on off comments on Facebook posts. So the first thing that you need to do in order to do that is to open your Facebook application on your device. Then click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on see your profile. This one under the menu. Now go to your recently uploaded posts. As you can see this icon here, it means that your post is on public. So in order to turn off the comment section for this, you just have to click on the three dots here and then click on edit privacy. Now click on see more and then click on only me. So right after that, the people will not be able to leave a comment or react to your post since you changed the privacy settings into private. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.